Beehiiv versus MailerLite. Which email marketing tool wins? Choosing the right email marketing platform can completely change how you grow your audience without complicated setups. Beehiiv and MailerLite both offer powerful features, but with different focuses. Beehiiv and MailerLite are two popular email marketing tools designed to help creators and businesses engage their audience. The core difference lies in Beehiiv's focus on newsletter growth and monetization, while MailerLite emphasizes simplicity and all-in-one marketing features. Beehiiv is a newsletter platform tailored specifically for creators and publishers aiming to grow and monetize their email lists. It offers advanced audience segmentation, referral programs, and built-in subscription monetization options. Users can create visually appealing newsletters with ease using customizable templates. Beehiiv's analytics provide detailed insights into subscriber behavior and growth trends, helping users optimize their content and campaigns. The platform integrates with popular tools and supports automated workflows to streamline email marketing efforts. However, Beehiiv is primarily focused on newsletter creators, so it may lack broader marketing features like landing pages or e-commerce integrations. It's ideal for content creators, independent publishers, and media brands who want to build a dedicated subscriber base and generate revenue through subscriptions or sponsorships. MailerLite is a versatile email marketing platform designed for small businesses and marketers seeking an easy-to-use tool with a wide range of marketing features. It includes drag-and-drop email builders, landing pages, pop-ups, and automation workflows, making it a comprehensive solution beyond just newsletters. MailerLite supports audience segmentation, A/B testing, and detailed campaign reports to improve engagement and conversions. Its user-friendly interface and affordable pricing make it accessible for beginners and growing businesses. While MailerLite offers many features, it may not provide the same depth of newsletter-specific growth tools or monetization options as Beehiiv. It's best suited for small businesses, e-commerce stores, and marketers looking for an all-in-one platform to manage email campaigns, capture leads, and drive sales. Comparing Beehiiv and MailerLite highlights their distinct strengths. Beehiiv excels at newsletter growth with referral programs and subscription monetization, making it perfect for creators focused on audience building and revenue generation. MailerLite offers broader marketing capabilities like landing pages and e-commerce integrations, ideal for businesses needing a multi-purpose tool. For example, a solo writer or podcaster might prefer Beehiiv for its specialized features, while a small online store would benefit from MailerLite's all-in-one marketing approach. Trade-offs include Beehiiv's narrower focus versus MailerLite's wider feature set but less newsletter-specific tools. Pricing and ease of use also differ, with MailerLite often favored for simplicity and affordability. Choosing between them depends on whether newsletter growth or comprehensive marketing features are the priority. Choose Beehiiv if your priority is growing and monetizing a newsletter audience with advanced tools tailored specifically for creators and publishers. Opt for MailerLite if you need an easy-to-use, affordable platform with versatile marketing features beyond email. It's ideal for small businesses seeking to manage campaigns, landing pages, and automation in one place. Both tools excel when matched to your unique goals.